welcome to another episode of What's Cooking. My name is Nick Jordan from Carroll Lutheran Village. Today we're putting together some pulled pork carnitas that are going to be on the menu. We're going to take a tortilla and you got your pulled pork that you mixed with your Spanish style barbecue sauce. What you want to do is load that up, kind of spread it out evenly. Next thing you're going to do is get some cheese. Put your cheese down. And you're just gonna roll it like this. After that, we have our Poblano Cream Sauce that I made in the blender. You kind of just, spread that on there. And that's how you're gonna bake it. All right, now that it's finished in the oven, we're gonna plate it. What I like to do is just cut it in half. And it's gonna look like this in the middle. So it's two nice little pieces here. We're just gonna put it on the plate and garnish it with some fresh cilantro. This is gonna be available Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday in the cafe and bistro. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.